Unique to say the least, a stone church in need of renovation plus a renovated brick residence with wainscoting and hardwood floors. Roof shingled in 2016, windows new in 2015, and septic upgraded in 1999. Freestanding propane stove for heating, open concept living suitable for an artist or an entrepreneur. I remember Terry Pratchett, there's a quote of his that says 5 exclamation marks is a sure sign of an insane mind. There's more than 5 in this.
On this video, we are introducing you to a really exciting project we have coming up with homeowners Matt and Sam. We are going to take an old brick building built in the 1800s and connect it to an old stone church with a new addition and turn the entire space into one big home. I'm Casey Gray, the founder of The Conscious Builder, and on this channel, we help you build and live more consciously. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below. With everything that's going on in the industry, you need to be prepared to handle any kind of conversation effectively, especially the tough talks. Conflict drains your energy and time, and this trickles into every area of your business and life, hurting your health, your relationships, and ultimately your bottom line. I've created 2 resources for you here at the Conscious Builder Academy called Priming for Tough Conversations and the Conflict Resolution Toolkit. My wife Natasha, who is a former psychotherapist, lent her expertise to creating these PDF handbooks that will help you show up to any talk calm, prepared, and in control, able to turn conflict into opportunity. They are available individually or in a bundle at a great price, so check it out now at the link below or go to consciousbuilderacademy.com. Now, back to the video.
I guess we'll kind of tag team on this one. Basically, when you come up the driveway, there's going to be a garage. The garage is a sweet little building with a little cupola, and it will mimic the same roof line as the church. So though garages are never typically the most exciting part of a project, it will almost look like the top of the driveway will have a little chapel next to the church.
The church itself, the main building there, that'll be kind of like the kitchen, living, dining space, entertaining space.
Big volume of space for sure. We really wanted to make sure that we were maintaining the space and its integrity. It's always interesting when I look at other conversions. I always felt like I was fortunate enough to have the second building, because without the second building, you're kind of forced to have to put in mezzanines or floors or really chop up the church space. In this instance, we're really able to leave it pretty much as it stands. And the addition was had to span 38 feet between both buildings while being constrained by the historical facades of the building. We didn't want to sort of mess with them too much. And then behind with the septic field. So it gave us a very limited, narrow, long sort of space to do the addition. So we infilled there with a family room for TV, a den, as well as a bathroom and a guest bedroom. In order to give it a little bit of drama, we ended up doing a vaulted ceiling with a mono-slant roof, which will have a clear story of transom windows. So a lot of natural light pouring into that new addition. On the outside of the new addition, there'll be a small porch that will have a 2-way fireplace, indoor-outdoor, that'll be between the family room and the porch itself. So the whole idea is all of those wonderful windows will open up in the addition, out onto the porch and into the courtyard, to this big indoor-outdoor sort of space. And then I guess the last part is the oldest part of the building.
Lodge. Yeah, which will end up being the master bedroom and master bathroom and the second bedroom and a more public, family bathroom.
Yeah, it sort of goes from very public to a little more private to the most private, sort of, as you ramble through the floor plan. And it is a rambly floor plan. The reality is when you're trying to bridge a gap between 2 buildings and create something, you do have to look for, this is not a central hall floor plan by any stretch of the imagination. We kind of joke and call it a cloisters, vaguely ecclesiastical, but also because you can literally follow the line of windows along the outside of the church, along the inside of the addition, and then back through into the master bedroom. And really you're following probably 70 or 80 feet of just almost catwalk sort of space.
You can tell which one of us has a design background and which one is me.
So I have a 3-year-old American mini pig, and if anyone follows mini pigs, of course mini pigs are never really mini. He's still about 100 pounds and about 18 inches tall. He is, let's say, about 3 years old. He is a very clever animal. It's sort of the reverse of a dog. You put the box down, the pig will instantly start using it if housebroken. Affection could take a few weeks.
I mean, this is one of the other challenges of this project is timing. Before the pig eats more holes in the floor, I don't want to be sitting in the dirt.
He has a spirit that wants things to be absolutely perfect. So if anything has a seam or a little tear in it or anything like that, it's his instant attention. So we've seen the kitchen floor be sacrificed to him, and there's definitely a need. It's funny when we speak with the architect, she was pretty clear to say that it was the first time she ever had to do a pig closet for a pig's bathroom needs indoors. So there's all sorts of little design and architectural whimsies for Mr. Piggy.
Yes, dearly.
We have not officially started any construction on site. However, Matt and Sab did bring on some masons to do all of the repointing work of the old stone church. If you're excited about this project, you'll also enjoy this video we did on the 1860s farm stone home that we renovated recently. Until next time, I'm Casey Gray, and remember to live consciously.